Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to disable unnecessary startup program on Windows 11. So to reduce or to disable the unnecessary startup program on Windows 11, you have to use this key shortcut, which is Control Shift Escape on your window. Then you can see the available program that is running on PC. So this can also help you for more better performance. So you can just click on this to open the task manager tab. Then from here you can disable any program that is running on the startup just to get a powerful efficient performance from your PC. So just to close any one of them, just click on it. For example, click on this. If I want to close settings, because I'm actually recording, so I can't close this recording screen. So if I want to close this, for example, just tap on it, then click on end task, and that's the best way to disable unnecessary startup programs on Windows 11. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and follow for more content like this.